Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC channel. Okay, just wanted to show you the process in works of making the little fairing back here. I wrapped plastic around the leading edge and then put plastic in between the F2 bulkhead and the hatch, and then I have done now 2 layers of 5-minute epoxy mixed with micro balloons. This should be the last one. I'll trim along the edge here with an X-Acto knife just to help separate the plastic, pull the wing out and remove the plastic, and then start shaping with sandpaper and get it finished. Okay, as you can see, this is coming along really nicely. I've done a little sanding. I've got a couple low spots here, so I've laid down another piece of plastic up here, and I'm going to mix up a third batch, 5-minute epoxy, which seems to be coming along really nicely. It dries quick, nice and solid. It's going to definitely be one of my go-tos for this kind of thing. And I'm just going to add a little more up in this area and right here, and then let it dry and do some more sanding. Also, like edges like this or the top, trim nicely with a number 11 X-Acto blade. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and please subscribe to my channel.